Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I got a 2014 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide I want to show you. It's a really nice trike, got good miles on it. Comes with a 103 motor and 6-speed transmission. It's got some pretty decent upgrades on it as well. Got an added set of driving lights down here on the engine guard. This is the liquid cooled model. Got the little radiators there and the lower leg fairings. It's got the Harley Davidson Daymaker headlights. Front end looks real good. Good tire on the front. Paint looks nice. There might be some just very minor sign. Yeah, I believe that was just a little wax spot came off. But it does have a few minor little signs of wear on it. See if I can spot something for you. The fairing looks good. The 2014s have the through the fairing vent system on it. This one's got a nice little chrome trim piece on it. Nice chrome trim here on the windshield. Set of fully adjustable highway pegs. Upgraded horn cover. Nice upgraded floorboards, pegs, matching passenger floorboards here. The adjustable piece there for the passenger to get a little bit of relief. It's adjustable here, locks in place. Grab bars. It's got the large touring saddle on it with a rider backrest. Full onboard electronics between rider and passenger. Large touch screen, full instrumentation, 3-pouch windshield bag, upgraded. We put these nice Avon hand grips on there. Upgraded mirrors, mirror posts. Really dressed up pretty nice. Got the electronic cruise control, electric reverse. A place here for your iPod, MP3 player. Bike runs out good. I just got through riding it a few minutes ago. Front fender, or the rear fenders look good. A lot of times you get little rock pecks on the fenders. These look nice. I did notice a little scuff right here on the side of the fender. It's got these little LED lights put on across the back here, give you a little extra visibility at night. Nice chrome trim here around this tour pack light. Chrome luggage rack. This serves as a base cabinet as well in here with these ports. It gives you a nice sound on your stereo. Check the mileage on it. Fire it off and let you give it a listen. It's got 5,256 miles. Factory exhaust, so it runs pretty quiet. Got this extra trim piece here with the lights in it. We ran it through the shop and checked it out to make sure it's ready to go, and it is. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at TexasBestUsedMotorcycles.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas' best used motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.